Hey everybody, what's up? Welcome to another video of Kneading with Franco. Today we are in my garden and today I'm going to introduce to you my fabulous, fantastic, sensational Ooni Karu 12. This is the small version of the Ooni Karu 12. As you guys already know, there is the 16 which is coming up on the market, I believe, from fall. And today I'm going to show you how to cook with this amazing oven. So first of all, I invite my cameraman to come closer because I want to show you every detail of this Ooni Karu 12. So today I'm going to cook with wood because one important thing of this amazing oven is that it's multi-fueled. So it can cook with charcoal, with seasoned wood, and it can also work with gas. To work with gas, you need a separate attachment from Ooni, which you can buy separately for a normal patio gas that everyone sells in the UK. So let's come closer to this Ooni Karu. I'm gonna show you the 12 inches stone where you can cook an amazing pizza in under than 60 seconds. And the amazing thing is that, take a look at the tray. Onto this tray you can put the charcoal, you can put your wood, wait until 40-45 minutes, and the temperature inside is gonna reach 500 degrees Celsius. I'm gonna show you today how to remove in simple steps the gas burner and to replace it with this attachment still from Ooni. All you need here is just a simple screwdriver. You need to unscrew the screws. First the one on the left. There you go. And then the one on the right. Like that. Let's come closer so you can see better. Remove the last screw and that's it. The gas burner comes out just like that. Now we need to attach the other piece of metal which is going to act as a lead. So with this lead, this is going to cover the part where you're going to put the wood. So in order to secure that and to prevent the flames from going outside of the oven, especially when you have to refill it with some more wood. So just like that, just put the piece of metal in there where previously the gas burner was standing, and use the same screws, exactly the same ones, screw them again to seal the back of the oven. See how easy it is? And screw also the second one, and that's it. One essential thing is the chimney. You need to push the lever all the way down in a vertical position to open the tap, because this lets the air circulate perfectly and allows the smoke to go out. Let's start now filling the tray inside the oven with some pieces of wood. Now take a fire lighter and use a lighter to light it up like this. Once it's lit up and you see the flame, close the lid. Always keep an eye on the temperature, and if this is running too low, just add some other pieces of wood inside the tray of the oven, and I recommend to always use some BBQ gloves. I bet you're enjoying this video so far. Are you? Now the time has come to subscribe to my channel. The button is just down below, and if you're liking this video, don't forget to hit the like button as well. Don't forget you can follow me on Instagram as well, as you can find me there as Kneading with Franco. I'm gonna post exclusive content every day, and I have loads of goodies from Ooni that I have to review, so you don't want to miss out. Our Ooni oven has reached the temperature, so now it's time to stretch the pizza. Take a look at the whole process. I'll remove it first from the container. I'll put the dough ball on a tray full of semolina flour. Sprinkle just a tiny bit more on top. Round it a little bit. And now start stretching it by pushing the air towards the edges starting always from the center, be very gentle and take a look at how the air just start forming the crust, the amazing cornicione. This type of stretching that I'm showing you guys is specific to get the famous extra chubby cornicione that everyone loves. When your pizza reaches this size and your hand can go within it, it's time to flip it over your fists to enlarge it a little bit more. That's it, pizza is ready. Let's put some tomato sauce on top and some nice low moisture mozzarella. And now let's drag our pizza onto the pizza peel and let's launch it into the oven. High temperature is essential if you want to get some nice leopard spots across the edges of your amazing pizza. Therefore, add another log just after you launch the pizza in the oven to keep the temperature very high. Before start turning your pizza inside the oven, it's essential to warm up a little bit your turning peel by putting it closer to the flame. So this is essential, so the pizza peel is not going to get stuck onto the bottom of the pizza, which is not 100% still cooked. Turn your pizza 180 degrees, just like that. So the other edge, the one which is hidden from your view, can start cooking as well. And you can already see some nice leopard spotting there. Last round of turning so the pizza can cook evenly. And that's it. Look at how beautiful it is when it comes out of the oven. But now, let's try the cornicione. Always use scissors so you don't ruin the structure. Let's have a look inside. This is cooked with Ooni Karu 12 and wood. Look at this. Look at the amazing structure inside. Let me show you from another perspective. Look at how puffy the cornicione is. This is absolutely fantastic. One of the best pizzas that I've ever made with Ooni Karu. Take a look at this as well. Super, super soft. Like a proper Neapolitan pizza. Let me taste this amazing pizza. Yeah, I would say that it's perfect. It's super light. It's soft, and you can definitely taste the pizza made with wood rather than gas. It has a different texture inside. It has a different style of cooking. It's absolutely fantastic. I would definitely recommend Ooni Karu with wood fire.